Hey guys, FirstinWeather here. Welcome back to another video. It's December 4th, 2017, and as many of you know, we do have a slight snow chance for Central Virginia this Friday, and I'm also going to be covering the snow chances for the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic for the next week or so. So this is the GFS model right now. This is the 18Z model run for Monday. And if we take this through, this is the cold front coming through on Wednesday early morning. We're going to see some pretty good rains with this, and then that clears through. And then this is where it gets interesting. So this front is basically going to stall and become a coastal front right here. And off that front, we could see a system develop, a low pressure system develop, and depending on the track of that system, depending whether it goes more west or more east, that will be the deciding factor for our snow and rain chances. So this is the 18Z run, and the GFS takes it offshore and it grazes eastern Virginia with some snow. However, you see this blue right here which indicates snow, but if we look at surface temperatures, surface temperatures are in the upper 30s, so definitely not an event where you're going to see accumulation, but the air aloft is cold enough where we won't be having issues with sleet. It's either going to be just rain or snow. And so in this situation, I think areas along and west of I-95, if they do see precipitation, it's going to be all snow, and areas east of that might see a mix where they see periods of rain, periods of snow, and the chances of seeing snow will go up as you head closer and closer to the evening. So if we go back to the regional view, or the broad United States view, and switch back to precipitation, so we take this through. The system goes offshore, tracks away, and then you have this big trough over the eastern United States, and then you have this other system that comes through, so that will give the chance for a few flurries and snow showers in the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic, nothing big, just a cheap thrill. That goes through, and then you have lake effect snows going on in the Great Lakes region. That comes through, and you basically have these small systems coming through, giving light snow showers to the eastern United States for the next week or so, and I don't really see any big potential storm systems on the horizon for the next week or so. So if we go back to the system for Friday, so if we go back to a previous model run, let's go back to the 0Z for Monday, and as you can see, this model run, the GFS was predicting the system to go really close to the coast, and as a result, it was looking at some pretty heavy snows in the interior portions of Virginia. But again, I don't really agree with this forecast from the GFS. First of all, a lot of this would be rain due to surface temperatures being well above freezing in the upper 30s and low 40s, and also since we do have this deep trough, this low pressure system is going to go north and east. It's going to be almost forced to go offshore. And another thing that I want to talk about is the fact that the GFS model, it tends to give a bias of storm systems being too far to the east, and so that's also another factor. So if the GFS model is overplaying this and making it go too offshore, then that's also an interesting factor, because then this system could slowly creep back to the west as we head closer to Friday. However, a lot of the other models are also saying that this system is going to go offshore. So as of now, as of Tuesday, December 4th, 2017, this forecast can definitely change, and it probably will. I'm going to have to make some adjustments in my forecast as we get closer to Friday. But as of now, I think Friday afternoon should be mainly event free, but Friday night into Saturday morning, and even Friday afternoon, that time period, I think we could see a few light rain showers and a few flurries in the eastern portions of Virginia, and I think areas along I-95 and areas west of it don't really have a significant chance of seeing any significant snow. And when I say significant snow, I mean some good moderate snowfall and that doesn't mean accumulations, because surface temperatures will be well above freezing, so that's out of the picture. But I'm talking about a nice, good, light to moderate snowfall coming down for at least a couple of hours, and I just don't see that happening. I think the most we could see are a few flurries and light rain showers, with more snow showers as we head closer to Friday night and Saturday morning. That's all for now. I'll definitely make another YouTube video if the track if the forecasted track shifts to the west a little bit, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.